Okay, guys. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. See, small girl. I was June. When was it?
Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. So, who go pay for our wig and handbag?
Our daddy.
The Lord said to me in a song.
You guys, so it's raining. I'm like, I don't even know how to feel about that. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because of like how much I stressed yesterday. My legs are in pain. Like my legs are in so much pain. I'm trying to be quick so that I can get there on time. But that's the thing with me, when I'm rushing, I just end up being extra slow. And guys, I don't even know why I look so dark and like everything just, I don't know, I just feel like I don't look good, and I don't like when I feel like I don't look good, you know. I'm wearing this linen two-piece that my sister gave me. It's so beautiful and I'm so thankful to her for this because it's eating up real good. Okay, guys, so I feel better now that I have on makeup. I hope I look good. I wish you guys could see the full fit, but I'll probably take pictures for Instagram. It's currently raining. It's already 2 o'clock and I have to go. Bye bye. Getting a driver has been so crazy, and like time has gone. I don't really like being late. God, I feel like I'll be late, and like it's not like I plan to be. I'm so sure I stressed this man because he stressed me too. Because somewhere this man is arguing that my gate is locked, and I'm like, you're at the wrong house. Now I have to walk down to him because I'm already late and I don't want to be even more late than I am. That's stressing me out too. Thank God I'm not wearing heels. I've been so pissed with his ugly ass car. Jesus Christ.
I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unpleasant. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep checking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins.
So let's tell everybody that we are here.
Can you say that again for the camera?
Ask Daniel. Hi, guys. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. I look so. Sorry. I'm shy. Hi, guys.
Are you vlogging? Yes.
She's vlogging. Jesus.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. She's actually vlogging.
Apparently, the birthday girl is agitated.
Yeah.
Where is everybody?
Yeah, I actually like to add that I was not coming actually.
Shout out to damn you, eh? Imagine that kind of thing.
No, Dam is actually. Dam is a mom, you know, giving this mommy vibe, mommy figure, you know. So she had this proper plan, this welfare organization in school. All this Yaloja, she was just settling everybody. You take your own portion. So I'm more than close. For you not to go ask she said this tomorrow. I said she said this tomorrow. So I should listen. Just know that what's happening. Yeah. No better now. She's serious already.
You guys, patronize our friend. She does all things fashion. Unintentionally modeling for us.
Oh my god.
Love it.
Nice to meet you on banking. What's your name?
I'm sure you get the banking WJ.
No, it's IE.
This highlight. People didn't consider the shorties. They didn't consider all that we are 5'4". I'm 5'9". I'm 5'11". Okay. Sadly.
And I was a roommate, so I can see she's a peaceful soul. And I can't just say two things because she's the definition of a ride or die.
Wow. Period.
Like, she helps me with my hair.
Mark is very careful. Cannot cry.
She's like encourages me all the time. I mean every single time. I go through issues and then instead of going to my parents, I go to her. Because she's wonderful. She's just the best. She's very violent.
Aggressive.
I did not know at first. Like you see outside, like she's so calm and
Like a cat.
like I said, she's really nice. She's approachable. She loves people. See, I don't even know what to say. But I have so many things to say, but they're not even coming to my head right now. But she's a wonderful person. That's what you guys should know. She's wonderful. I love you.
So sweet.
Fast. Never change it.
Passport. No.
It does have many spots.
The fastest land animal. Content creator.
All the content creators in the house.
Oh my god. You don't mind being on my YouTube? No. Oh, YouTube. Oh, that's nice.
Let me just not show them catastrophe by here.
Are they good? That's Femi. Okay, you is having a really fun time with his borrowed bouquet. I'm speaking this on my channel again. I'm so excited. We can see.
I'm learning from the best, by the way.
That was so girly. Someone did that thing on the regular day. I'm like, who is this big queen? But it's true now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. You guys, I want to be a model, like a fashion content creator. Because what?
For the best dancer. Are you ready?
I don't understand this one, honestly.
Guys, I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. It's 7:32. You guys. But yeah, I have to go home and rest because by 7 a.m. I'm supposed to be at church tomorrow. So I had fun. I'm about to eat, you guys. I was taking pictures since and like just having fun that I forgot to eat. Can you imagine? Haba.
Do you want to try it? Our daddy got us this grocery.
Period. My sister got me this one shirt. Hair from
I don't even know.
Daddy.
From daddy, yeah. Hair from daddy.
Yeah.
Nails paid by daddy. Watch paid by daddy. I'm coming. Where's my phone? stoned by daddy.
Handbag.
Daddy. Daddy.
Period.
Daddy. Daddy.
Don't play.
Don't play.
Hair by sister. Sister. Sister.
When I go her sister. Jesus Christ.
She really is. Sister. Oh, this was actually my friend. So who go pay for our wig and handbag?
Our daddies.
Daddy.
Our sisters.
Period.
Good friends, of course.
Period.
Sports in the top 10.
See, small girl.
Oh, please.
Yeah, small girl.
I promise I'm not that short.
She's very small.
I'm not.
Maybe God has given him admission. He's not an officer.
Over 300,000 followers and they are based in Abuja, so I can get them to come and make videos about
Yeah.
300,000 followers, yes. Especially I have 300,000 followers.
I'm gonna say hi to the vlog.
I do.
Car.
I actually play volleyball.
Car.
I'm not lying.
Seriously.
I'm going to secondary school.
How come we never see video if you were so interested?
I'm gonna say hi to the vlog.
Give me.
Hi vlog. She can say hi to the
What
vlog.
happened to your magic? Your magic
What's my?
Don't forget to pull up.
It's the pull up for me. he eating that shit up.
Hi guys, it's Muna, the state of united concert. United concert happening on the 25th of August. Team making a difference. Will you be there?
Ewo. Not very cutesy, not very demure. Upper room is ongoing and this is the activities we partake in.
They have to gum it to your hand. In NDA, they will not gum it to your hand, bro. They'll put it to your hand, not to fly down the floor. You don't lie down the floor. Guy, NDA expenses was like this thing.
Imagine being like in India and then now falling sick.
I felt sick. I felt sick June when I was in NDA. June. I could not go to work. I don't know the report I was sick. Guess what they gave to me? Paracetamol.
That's all we came here for.
guys, I got my merch. You guys, I got my shirt for the concert in XL. By the way, you guys should come through for Stay Oxygenated 4.0, making a difference. It's going to be live at Transcorp Hilton Congress Hall on the 25th of August. You don't want to miss it, okay? So anyways, back to topic. So I got the merch for the concert. I got this shirt in XL. Come on. Ooh, look at it. Making a difference. And at the front it says Oxygen Club. That's O2. Like, this is 0 raised to power 2. That if you did chemistry and biology, you know what oxygen in the balance equation means. I'm just playing on this. I told David I wanted it in XL. At first I said L, but quite frankly I don't know if L is like large, like big or small. So I don't know. I just told him to get me the medium one, and I hope it fits. Okay. Come on. This is my perfect fit, you guys. Like, ooh, can you guys see this? Yeah. But can you guys see this? It's eating up. Like, yeah, making a difference. It's actually genuinely very cool, and I'm happy I got the merch because, like, after the concert, I still get to wear it. Come on. I'm actually so gassed for the concert. So No. Should I wait here or outside? She goes, they say hi. Hi. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god. No. Look at this lighting. I've been here before. Can you not? I'm not small. I'm taller than she goes, you know. Shaggy. Say hi, goodness. So we're going to the spa today. So yeah, it was a gifted experience by a brand, but like, yeah, it's going to be a hydrofacial. So all I have on now is like my essence, my essence, moisturizer and sunscreen. I'll let them do the remaining thing. This is my outfit. Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. But yeah, we're heading out now. I'm sure you can hear the chaos. But I'm not really going to vlog for YouTube. It's more of like an Instagram thing. So follow me on IG.